Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about Cauchy-Euler differential equations. So I will put about yc equals to s to the power of n. Later that, we need to do first the derivative of yc, and we have ns to the power of n minus 1. And we go to second derivative of this one. We have n minus 1 s to the power of n minus number 2. So I will put this one gone here and this one gone here, this one gone here. So this one with this one we have s to the power of n, s, and this one we have s to the power of n. Now we can do about factorization by s to the power of n. Now we need to find the solutions of this one. This one we have 3n squared minus number 3, or 3n, equals to number 0. So this one we simplify and we have number 8. And now we need to find the solutions of this one. And we have n equals to 1 over 3, n equals to negative number 3. And now we can put the final answer. So y equals to c number 1. That is about the constant number 1, s to the power of n. We change n into 1 over 3. And we have c number 2, s to the power of negative number 3. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.